he doesn't like it.
Yo, you trying to let me get some? Come on. Yo, let me get some.
Nova, what are you doing? Wow!
This is your man.
Yes,
Look at the screen.
that's mine.
This little guy keeps biting my phone and my fingers. You know what that means.
Microwave.
Want to eat? No, it's not time. You just ate.
See? It's alright. It's all good.
Gosh, freaking goodness. Wow, you are not making good choices.
Damn, babe. Oh.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, she caught something! Oh my god, she caught something! She caught... Marcy, no! Marcy! Marcy!
About me. You know, like the kind of doctor who knows your name and makes you feel important. He just remember you. Yeah.
Oh god.
What you doing out here with all this ass? Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon.
What is this? What is this? And why do you do it? Today. Did y'all need some more space? Hey, Mama. Don't do it! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Buongiorno. Che hai detto anche tu buongiorno? Buongiorno.
You gonna let me help you? I'm trying to help. Let me help you.
Дорогие друзья, с новым 2025 годом!
I wish that I could bake a cake made out of rainbows and smiles and we'd all eat and be happy.
She doesn't even go here.
No, no. Look at me. Look at me. Oh, I'm gonna pee my pants. Baka ulit lips.
Senin ne derdin var ya? Sen bu kutuyu kemirmekten ne anlıyorsun Eros? Ne oluyor bu kutuyu kemirince?
My life, I've seen a cat with a mustache.
Bippy, show off your dance. Wow. Thank you.
Whoop. Whoop. Are you embarrassed? Oh my god.
You got caught in 4K. Get the goddamn toilet before I whoop your Hazel, I'm not
I'm about to be an asshole.
Ma'am, I know you're making biscuits, but what is this doing?
Mas é pra... Olha, é bravinho, mãe, mas é fofinho.
Que braçada é essa, mamãe? Oh, meu...
Cats are superior to dogs because cats would never work for the police.
Whose cat is that? Hey, who are you?
Where's your orange cat?
Who are you?
But there's no law against a home-cooked meal. Got lots of hot dogs.
Has her face on my boobs and she's making biscuits on my stomach. Ma'am, what? No siedział. Sedasz.
Can I help you? Don't break my new hair dryer. Mush!
Ninguém acredita? Aqui em casa todo mundo brinca, né, Trovão? Eu viro pra ti, ó. Vai. Pode ir, vai. Ai, gente, se contar ninguém acredita. Vai, anda.
Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
It's time for a loaf check. No tail is showing, no paws or elbows, a loaf of bread on the right, and also on the left. I'm gonna give this gingerbread cat loaf a 10 out of 10.
What are you doing? Oh! Oh, God.
I was born a cat. I identify as a cat. But according to my mom, I'm just a baby.
Cat. Oh, you come back for more?
See, he can see.
Girl.
Yes, he can too.
还扭屁股。
Yo, whose cat is this, bro? I ain't gonna lie, he's showing me a little too much love. I don't even know, buddy. This gotta be Diddy's cat or something. Oh!
What do you want? He's so mean.
Hey! Stop! Stop!
Hey man, you wanna fucking stop?
Poliția română consumă de stupefiante este interzis în România.
I love you. I love you. You're the baby. You're mommy, baby. I freaking love you. I'm obsessed with you.
Get to be in bed. Are you kidding? Where am I supposed to sleep?
Go sleep on the couch.
Come on, no. Chase, move over. No. Why? Why is it always me? Come on, move over. Just move a little bit to the side. Like, oh God, fine.
你要给我买好吃的，给我买好看衣服，带我出去玩。最重要的是，每天都陪着我。
Da läuft Adolf Hitler. Aua. Oh my god, 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 I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh my god.
It looks like your roots are growing out. I think you're gonna need another bleach.
What's all that stuff? It's a bit boring. It's not finished, but it's not boring. Making
Ben de seni ısırırım o zaman.
Ay.
Open the door. Open the door. Open the door.
Bir.
Não tô lembrado, não.
Não tá lembrado, não.
Não, nunca nem vi.
E o teu nome?
Nunca nem vi.
O teu nome também não lembro.
Nunca nem vi, não.
How do I tell him without hurting his feelings that is, oh my god, in fact, tearing my skin away from my body? These are thin leggings. Whoa! Holy brother. Holy dude.
Карамелька.
if he tells you anything fucking different, he's a liar and a fucking snake. Fuck you.
No. Oh my god.
And then it attacked me. Like, literally jumped on me. And, like, my legs and stuff. You didn't do anything to help. Sorry? Are you sorry?
I don't know enough words to play this game. Do we have to keep going? But babe, Asteroid only knows one word. This isn't fair.